Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
With less than 2 weeks to the governorship elections in Delta State, more groups have continued to throw their weight behind the candidacy of Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori. The Delta State Ethnic Nationalities Youth Forum is one of such groups. Last week, it organized an endorsement ceremony in Warri, Delta State, to confirm their support for the PDP governorship candidate. Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, the PDP governorship candidate for Delta State and current Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, is a youth-friendly politician. Over the years, he has demonstrated an unwavering support for youth groups in Delta State. For the first time in the history of Delta State, youth groups from all ethnic nationalities in the state came together under the umbrella of the Delta State Ethnic Nationalities Youth Forum to endorse Sheriff Oborevwori for governor of Delta State. According to Comrade Isaac Orishawenimi Agbatanyeniro, president of the Shekiri National Youth Council, who also doubles as the presiding chairman of the Delta State Ethnic Nationalities Youth Forum, youths in Delta State decided to throw their weight behind Oborevwori because they believe in his capacity to deliver a better Delta State.
On behalf of all stakeholders, leaders, and team members of this group, present to you our endorsement plate for your candidature. Congratulations, sir.
Representatives of the different ethnic nationalities in Delta State also gave reasons for their support of Oborevwori.
Sir, since the inception of democracy, Ndukwa person has not been chosen as a deputy governor or a governor. But today, I stand on behalf of Ndukwa Nation to say thank you for the privilege. And we are assuring you today that the Ndukwa Nation will not fail you. From the west, the east, and the Ndukwa Nation, we are not going to fail you. We are going to deliver 100%.
The good people of AKUGHA ethnic nationality and Anyota Oshibili has sent me to join my voice with other ethnic nationality in Delta State to reaffirm our support for the candidature of Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori for the 2023 elections.
We are not just making the declaration here, we are taking it back to our various units, back to our various communities, back to our various works, so that our declaration today, our collective resolve, can translate to electoral victory for our party and for your candidacy.
We are very fortunate to have a youth-friendly candidate from People Democratic Party, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori. He's a man we all know very well, a man that knows us too. He knows our pains and feels our body. When it's March 11th, cast, take your PVC, go and press for Sheriff Oborevwori.
In his response, Oborevwori thanked the youths of Delta State for what he described as their overwhelming show of love. He promised to take Delta State to greater heights and run an inclusive government in which youths of Delta State will be effectively represented.
This is the advantage of living with your people. When you live with your people and you are sincere, they know you. There's a day that is for payback. There will be opportunity for all Deltans. All the ongoing projects in Delta State will not be abandoned. People talk about Warri. Warri, we have new face. Endorsing me and my deputy, MAMODE, we will not abandon the youth. The government that is coming, youth will be part of the government that is coming.
Right Honorable Oborevwori was also at the National Secretariat of the Urobo Progress Union UPU at Uyamuge in Agbaro, Ughelli North Local Government Area, where he was received by the entire UPU and the Presidents General of the 24 Kingdoms in Urobo Nation. After consultations, the President General of the UPU, Chief Gam, who described Oborevwori as a man of humility, assured the PDP candidate of the support of the entire Urhobo nation.
When your issue is not a difficult issue because you are down to earth. What about Tutanana? When I want bang. So even more than myself, who calls himself President General.
Chief Godwin Jeffia Notoma, chairman of the Forum of All Presidents General of Urhobo Nation, and Chief Rose Ogene, the Osweya Urhobo, and President Women's Wing of the UPU, both confirmed their support for Oborevwori.
He is totally Urhobo, maternally, paternally. He is humble. He has street sense. He is able to. He has shown fairness in what he has done so far. So I can appraise him as a humble person who will work well, given the opportunity to serve his people.
He's a brother, he's an administrator, he's a man of all qualities. In fact, his street credibility is enough for us. He's reachable. He's a man that we can access anytime. He's accessible, he's friendly, he's young, he's our friend, he's our son, he's our brother.
The PDP governorship candidate also paid a consultative visit to former Chief of Defense Staff, General Alexander Ugomudia, in his Uzere country home in Isoko South local government area of Delta State. General Ugomudia prayed for the victory of Oborevwori in the gubernatorial elections of March 11, 2023.
Now that we have come and our son at this time, you'll be here before, there is nothing new to it. And you have requested for blessing. For everyone say, wow, now will I deny you that blessing? I'm giving you the blessing. Amen. You feel regret. We have been given the permission to go and win. Amen.
Having campaigned in all the political wards as well as local government areas of Delta State, and having consulted all key segments and groups in Delta State, Right Honorable Oborevwori, no doubt, has done the hard work required for winning elections and may just be on his way to electoral victory in Delta State.
Inside the Niger Delta,